Alright, bitches. Here we are. This is just a video to show some of my power armors in my number 2 profile for Fallout 4. Here we're at Tommy's T51 Power Armor Depot. But we're going to head over to Sanctuary Hills, or as I like to call that, Power Armor Central. I got about 200 sets of power armor there. So we'll just see what happens here. We'll take a cruise over. Almost all the power armor here is T51 Abraxo. There are one or two other T51s here, but for some reason I just chose the Abraxo scheme for Tommy's place. So let's take a cruise over to Sanctuary. Hey, Carla! What are you doing, bitch? Don't try and steal my power armor. Huh? Yeah? Huh? And as we first enter, we got 49 suits of power armor right here. 7 X01s, 7 T60Fs, Brotherhood of Steel, 7 T51s, 7 T45s, Raider Power 2, T60, 7 assorted, and 7 assorted T51s. Now I'm playing on Xbox One. I don't use mods, don't have Creation Club or any of that shit. None of the power armor frames were stolen. They're all purchased. And they're all upgraded fully. Like the X01 is Mark 6. T51s are all Fs. The T45s and 60s are all Fs. The Raider is Power 2. And they're just various sets throughout Sanctuary. Still lots of work to do. Got to concentrate more on the inside of the buildings. As far as I care, everybody has a mattress and that's it. They can fuck off.
Huh?
Party bus. Pretty self-explanatory,
Hey.
really.
Something from me?
Hey there.
What do you wish to talk about?
I need you to get out of your power armor.
As you wish.
We'll take a quick look inside a few buildings, but we'll go and see the rest of the big lots of power armor. This would be the main workshop that I use for all of my power armors. I've got hundreds of pieces stored, which you'll see. I don't have Brotherhood of Steel Elder or Paladin armors because I wiped out the Brotherhood of Steel very early in this profile. And I don't have Minutemen yet because I haven't decided what to do about them. T60, T45, all the spare parts. The most I have are the Brotherhood of Steel T60. Yeah, hundreds of pieces of that. And fusion cores, partially used fusion cores are stored elsewhere. The main cabinet is just full fusion cores. And of course, X01, hardest power armor to get. The pieces for that, very rare. You just got to keep going back to see Rowdy.
I wonder what has happened elsewhere. Is what has befallen the Commonwealth atypical, less extreme, more?
Even though there are over 100 pieces or suits of armor in front of us, can't see them all.
Hope you ain't one of them cents.
Too far away. There, they fade in and out. The batch in the center of the community is a mixture, just like when you first come into town. And then the furthest pad is just all Brotherhood of Steel T60s. And that's only, I have 3 profiles. This is only 1 profile. And I have all throughout the Commonwealth in this profile a bunch more power armors. Hardly ever use this stuff. Just looks good sitting there. Giddy up, Buttercup. Bobbleheads. Gotta like the bobbleheads. Everybody needs grenades. Cafeteria. We'll go see that in a minute. Brotherhood of Steel. Fuck them. Wipe them out. Move.
All the soda you can drink.
How about beer? Do you have beer? Beer is good. I've heard that. I will soon be opening a beer.
This is delicious.
Corn. So altogether, there's about 200 suits of power armor assembled, and then there's hundreds of parts. And the list keeps growing.
Be careful. If the shielding on the
Hey, where you going?
isn't perfect, it can be hazardous to your health. I cannot get there.
Hey, get out here. I have to teach you a lesson. Hey, like that. Come on.
Hey,
What shall we talk about?
Forget it.
that's all for now.
As you say, the influx of data is hard to process. Apologies if sometimes I make little sense. I will work on this.
Get in there.
What do you want? I shall make this a priority.
Preston. Preston. Oh, Preston. What happened, buddy? The Minutemen suck. Well, how about that?